Hello everyone, I'm the Alan. I'm an African music teacher and welcome to Rhythm in Africa. So on this channel we're going to learn about African music history and culture, and we're also going to learn about African music genres like Chi, Murenga Funana, Fuji, Genge Jit, Mbube Juju, Mona Kapuka, Nombolo, Afro House, Afro Jazz, Afro Beat, Kwaito, and the other one, and the other one, and the other one. If you know any other African genres, put them down in the comments. So we'll also be looking at African instruments, and I'll hopefully be interviewing African artists who will teach me to play these instruments. So from next week, we'll start with my favorite instrument, the marimba. And then the other week, we'll look at Kwaito as our first genre. And the other week, we'll look at the music history of the Zulu, and the other week we'll interview an artist. So let's learn something quick. So I'm going to do a whole video about the African drum, but one interesting thing I learned about it is some of it wasn't invented as a musical instrument. It was actually invented as a device to solve a communication problem. So they noticed that if they hit this thing, it makes a noise that's so much louder than the human voice that they can use it to communicate to faraway places, since there were no cell phones back then. So they started incorporating this invention, changing it into smaller shapes and sizes so that it can be used as a musical instrument, and they started using it for music and different purposes. So I started this channel because I as well am learning more about African music, and every day I always find out so much interesting things that I think are really worth sharing. So subscribe if you want to join me on the journey to learn about African music. And if there's anything specific you want to see on this channel, put it all in the comments. I'll read them and I'll make it happen. See you next week.